In the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare, air superiority remains a cornerstone of national defense. Today, we celebrate a significant milestone in Bulgaria's military modernization journey as Lockheed Martin completes the delivery of the second F-16 Block 70 fighter jet to the Bulgarian Air Force. This state-of-the-art aircraft not only strengthens Bulgaria's defense capabilities but also reinforces its commitment to NATO and regional security. The F-16 Fighting Falcon has long been a symbol of precision, agility, and technological innovation. With the introduction of the Block 70 variant, this legendary aircraft enters a new era, equipped with cutting-edge systems designed to dominate the skies. First introduced in the late 1970s, the F-16 Fighting Falcon quickly became one of the most successful combat aircraft in history. Over 4 decades, it has undergone numerous upgrades, each iteration pushing the boundaries of what a multi-role fighter can achieve. The Block 70 represents the latest evolution of this iconic platform. It incorporates advanced avionics, enhanced radar systems, and extended service life, making it the most capable version of the F-16 yet. But what truly sets the Block 70 apart are its next-generation technologies, which ensure dominance in today's complex battlefield environments. Bulgaria's decision to acquire the F-16 Block 70 jets marks a pivotal moment in the country's defense strategy. As a member of NATO, Bulgaria plays a critical role in safeguarding Eastern Europe against emerging threats. However, until recently, much of its air force relied on aging Soviet-era MiG-29 fighters, which were increasingly costly to maintain and lacked modern capabilities. In 2019, Bulgaria announced its intent to purchase 8 F-16 Block 70 jets from Lockheed Martin. This $1.2 billion deal was more than just an acquisition. It signaled Bulgaria's determination to align itself with Western allies and adopt cutting-edge technology to protect its sovereignty. By integrating the F-16 Block 70 into its arsenal, Bulgaria enhances interoperability with NATO forces, contributing to collective defense efforts across the alliance. First, the Block 70 is equipped with Northrop Grumman's and APG-83 Scalable Agile Beam Radar, a revolutionary active, electronically scanned array (ASA) radar. This system provides pilots with unparalleled situational awareness, enabling them to detect, track, and engage multiple targets simultaneously even in adverse weather conditions. Another major upgrade is the Advanced Combat Cockpit, featuring large high-resolution displays and intuitive controls. These enhancements reduce pilot workload while improving mission effectiveness. Additionally, the Block 70 boasts extended structural life up to 12,000 flight hours, ensuring decades of reliable service. Its compatibility with a wide range of precision-guided munitions further solidifies its reputation as a versatile multi-role fighter. With the arrival of the F-16 Block 70, Bulgaria's Air Force takes a quantum leap forward. These jets replace outdated Soviet hardware, addressing long-standing concerns about operational readiness and combat effectiveness. But the impact goes beyond mere hardware. The F-16 Block 70 empowers Bulgarian pilots with unmatched speed, maneuverability, and firepower. Whether conducting air patrols, intercepting intruders, or supporting ground troops, these jets provide Bulgaria with the tools needed to defend its airspace confidently. Moreover, the acquisition strengthens Bulgaria's position within NATO. By fielding advanced Western equipment, Bulgaria contributes to the alliance's deterrence posture, particularly in Eastern Europe, a region facing growing geopolitical tensions. Producing the F-16 Block 70 is no small feat. At Lockheed Martin's state-of-the-art facility in Greenville, South Carolina, skilled engineers and technicians work tirelessly to assemble each jet. From initial design to final testing, every step adheres to the highest standards of quality and performance. For Bulgaria, the journey began in 2019 when the first contract was signed. Over the next few years, Lockheed Martin collaborated closely with Bulgarian officials to customize the jets according to their specific requirements. Training programs were also implemented to prepare Bulgarian pilots and maintenance crews for the transition. On January 10, 2024, the first F-16 Block 70 arrived in Bulgaria, followed shortly by the second delivery. Each handover represents a testament to international partnership and shared goals. While the delivery of 2 F-16 Block 70 jets is cause for celebration, this is only the beginning. Looking ahead, Bulgaria plans to integrate all 8 jets into its fleet by end of 2025. Once fully operational, these aircraft will form the backbone of the nation's air defense strategy. There's also speculation about potential follow-up orders or collaborations with Lockheed Martin. Could Bulgaria expand its fleet further, or perhaps invest in complementary systems like unmanned aerial vehicles? Only time will tell. Regardless of future decisions, one thing is certain: Bulgaria's commitment to modernizing its armed forces ensures that it remains a steadfast ally in an uncertain world. Today, we stand witness to a historic achievement: the delivery of the second F-16 Block 70 fighter jet to the Bulgarian Air Force. This milestone underscores Bulgaria's dedication to defending its people and partnering with global allies as nations around the world continue to adapt to evolving security challenges. Projects like this remind us of the power of collaboration and innovation. Together we build a safer, more secure future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on defense and aerospace developments.